Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium, a special course on TikTok's Ad Manager. Okay, here you can see that we have already set up many campaigns for many different optimizations, like for Shopify, for conversion campaigns, for reach and broad campaigns. And here you can see that we already spent a lot of budget in our campaigns and already got many conversions as well in different campaigns. So yes, you can also get a good conversion optimization campaign in your TikTok, and with that campaign you can get more sales, boost your sales for Shopify especially. And if you're looking for campaign creation in TikTok Ad Manager for any of your product, for any of your website visits, for your app installs, or any product you want to sell through TikTok, then this course is definitely for you. In this course we will see that how we can set up campaigns, and inside the campaigns how we can set up ad groups, and then in the ad groups how we can set up different ad sets, and in ad group ad sets how we can put different ads in one ad set, and in every ad set how we can create good creatives, and how to target audiences, locations, preferences, geographics, and with the help of hashtags and different optimization tips and tricks in order to boost your sales with TikTok ads. So you can see that we already got so many conversions through TikToks, and for this you have to go to your TikTok's ad manager by visiting ads.tiktok.com, and from there you can easily set up a good TikTok ads for your website, for your store, for your blog, for your anything that you want to drive traffic on that channel. You can use this course, you can watch this course and help out your stores with good conversions with this TikTok Ads Manager course. Okay, we are just popping up into our dashboard of our TikTok Ads Manager, and once it opens you can see that there are many things in order to consider, like how you can set up for TikTok Ads Manager. Basically you have to go to ads.tiktok.com, and from there you can set up your business ads account, and so that way you can set up campaigns, and inside campaigns you can set up ad groups, and then ads in your ad groups, and then creatives in your ads, and by that way you can easily set up good campaigns in TikTok Ads Manager. So here it's taking some time. Let's see, once it opens we'll be back. Okay, here you can see that we are on our TikTok dashboard. From there you can see you already got so much credit in our TikTok Ads Managers. Here you can see it's 38215.01 euros ad credit spend limit, so it can be used for ad delivery. So here is 1 month's Ads Manager stats. We got this impression and this euro with these clicks and conversions. It depends upon you that how much product per conversion you are winning through TikTok ads. So this will help you a lot in understanding how everything is going. Like you can make campaigns, you can have impressions, clicks, and so on. Everything stats and analytics for your TikTok Ads Manager. So we will be hopefully coming up in next videos in this series with the proper setup of creating ads by creating campaigns, and then putting assets in our ads in the ad groups, and after then you will see that our TikTok ads will start spending. And we will also sharing some tips with you because in the beginning some advertisers feel difficulties in running their TikTok ads, because even if your ad is approved, it didn't go through for spending. So what you have to do, will be coming back in next videos in this playlist. Keep subscribe this channel if you haven't, and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So this was a brief video on what is TikTok Ads Manager, how and what we are going to learn in this course in next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.